na oh. Pwede nang ihalo sa sinigang. Hello po. We're here at the farm. We will update you to our fruit and vegetables. Trying to kill the walkway.
Stay on. I don't know why.
I have bell pepper na.
You have a bunch of peppers.
Corn? Oh, more? This is our mini garden here. May mga tubo na. Our bell pepper have lots of bell pepper. Eto may tubo na tayo. We can get this one. Pwede na tayo mag-harvest. We have two. This is banana pepper. We have here. This is our update on our mini garden here at the farm. Some of our tomato ate by the deer or ano to, Tay? Hindi ba to watermelon? Maybe this is watermelon, no?
Possibly.
You see this, and they are two.
You have some melon on it?
No, but they spreading out. The kids is swimming there. Tatay is here. Eto pa isa. May mga tubo na tong We just need to be careful. Pwede nang i-harvest pa to. Ito malaki na oh. Pwede nang ihalo sa sinigang. Etong part na to empty, no? Wala pang tanim. We bought some of our plants at Amish. Ito wala pa din to, no? Ingat ka tayo, baka maano ka na. Ito parang meron. Wala yan. Ito yung corn namin. But someone kinakain. Ito yung corn. Kinakain yung dahon. Ito kaya kumain dito, Tay? Deer? Hala. Dapat pala i-transfer natin yung sabon dito. What? I'm coming. Kunin mo na yun, Tay. Pitasin na to. Hanggang. Paano ba to? Pitas lang na ano? O pwede na yan. Baka mahiwa yung. Di ba kamay lang? Ay. Eto. Baka inaano lang to. Kamayin lang. Ay. Ito malaki.
Sama naman ugat eh.
Pero dyan isa tayo maliit. Kunin na hindi pa. Pwede na to pansahog sa ano. Paksiw. Ito malaki. Yes. Lipat mo dito? Oo nga. 2, 4, 7 na. Bunga na yung bell pepper. Ito oh. Yung mga tomato, ang tagal nila bago umano, lumaki. Mabango to eh. Sarap to isigang sa ano.
Yung bang maanghang ito? Siya ito eh.
Ewan ko tayo amoy mo. Mabango. Parang yan yung panika. Paanghang yan.
Isa yung itim. Ano? Perki.
What?
We have a ton of peppers.
We sell that.
There's bell pepper here. This is all bell pepper. Every bit of that. They're all boiling too. We only got a few
Tomato, it's
tomatoes boiling.
here, another one.
Let them go a little longer. They need to be about yay big.
When we back here, it's ano na. Long.
You need to do a little longer.
We will put this tomorrow ulam.
Is there any tomatoes or? Yeah, this is one.
Yes, they are 3 like that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
3.
6, 7, 8. I think this is all watermelon. And I think that's all cucumbers. He's trying.
We need to transfer the soap. This is bell pepper. Bango. Happy Father's Day, everyone. Happy Father's Day to all the dad in the world. We're here at the farm. It's 7 p.m. We're just swimming and checking our plants here. Dito yung mga tanim namin, ano, watermelon, cantaloupe there. Here. And here's the tomato. But it takes long to grow big. And I need to, this is the Irish Spring. Someone told us that they don't like the smell of Irish Spring, I will transfer this there at the corn. The grass is easy to grow. Ayan. Here's the watermelon or cantaloupe we plant here. And Tatay is planting corn there. Adding corn. I need to collect this Irish Spring. I have to still smell Irish Spring. We put in old sacks that my son not using anymore. Here's our tomato, but the deer ate this. That's why we put this. It's already long, but the deer like this. I will bring this there.
I bought it last time.
Gabby wants me to go back na there. I will just bring this to Tatay. Like this is tomato. And the deer ate this. Or the rabbit. And this also. I have 3 now. I will bring this to Tatay. Tinanim mo na? Yung iba mababaw lang eh. Ha?
Tuyo lupa.
Tuyo? Ayan o. The deer ate the leaves. Mabubuhay pa kaya to, Tay? Tatlo. 1, 2, 4 na. Nalaglag. Tatay is planting corn. Ha? Balik na ako doon. Ayan na, tinitil niya na, Tay. Parang eto nga mga ano. Watermelon. Oh, pareho yan. Watermelon nga. Eto, oh. Marami. Sana umulan mamaya. This also. Ayan. I hope it grows. Stealing this. I need to go back to swim. My son is waiting on me. I'm coming back, be. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I love you. What happened?
Goggles.
You see this?
I'm trying to fix my goggles.
I harvest this. I will go there. Wait.
Thank you for watching Show Me Old Family. We'll see you in the next video.
Happy Father's Day, everyone.
Happy Father's